Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a quotation on Zoho CRM, so let's get right into it. Now, once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is you need to go into the quotes module, and once you're here, you can start actually creating your quotation. Let me just wait until this loads. There we go. We can just click create a quote, and here you can manage your customer quotes, of course, which are legal agreements between customers and the sellers. And now you just need to write a subject. I'll write test, quote stage, I'll make it a draft, carrier FedEx. You just need to enter all your information that you need. Deal name can be whatever you want. So for example, I'll just name it King, valid until, I don't know, I'll say until the 30th of November this year. Contact name, I'll sample somebody such as Sage Weezer. Account name can be whatever it is. This is just a sample. I'll just enter it just as an example. Then under address information, of course, you need to set up everything you need. You can also set up the shipping street, city, state, code, and country if you want. And here under quoted items, you need to add a product name. I'll just create a new test product. Product code, I'll name it 123. Vendor name test. Unit price 12, and tax is, I'll set it 0.0%. Taxable, save and associate. No such vendor exists, so I can't create a product for some reason. Not sure which vendor to create, but it doesn't really matter. Here you can enter the vendor name, the description. I'll just name it test, quantity 1, list price, I'll set it to 12, and now that you've created all of this, you can also create an adjustment over here. You need to set the terms and conditions and the description if you want to. I'll just add a test in both fields, and now you can create a custom form page, or you can save it. And as you can see, no such product exists because I didn't create a product. But pretty much once you're done filling everything out here, you can click save. You can also create a custom form if you want to, but in essence, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.